Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to do a contorted body pose. So it's a pose in which the arms, the torso are all intertwined in one way or the other. So if your pencil's all set, let us draw some framework. So now this is the shoulder set, but what we're doing is it's going to have the delts right here, and let's say that we will start with a crunch. So extreme crunch, lower part of the torso is right here, and let's put the head here somewhere. So if you see, like, this already, like, there's a little twist because the head is looking upward. So that is the two dimension there. And so nose, eyes, mouth, and then there's the chin. So the person is looking up, let's say, ear. And now we go into the other component. So now what we can do is explore a few different options here. So let's actually first put this down. So we have the leg pretty much there. Should be a little longer. So, and there's some foreshortening there. The other leg, let's rest that down. And there's the other leg. Of course, we're going to put some pen work in there to make this more prominent. But here is where all the action is. So what we're doing is 1 and 2, because there's a lot of foreshortening going on here. So that's the elbow and the arm right there. So let's see how this looks. So we can also do rings, and we always maintain that when it comes to foreshortening, you could try rings, but we have to follow a line which will probably come around here, and we have a nice big fist. Could be an open hand, a fist, doesn't matter. Let's put that down already. And we'll keep that face for well, actually we could change it, but we could do something different even with the face is just positioned that way. And there's the other hand going, and of course in this case the arm, if it's like squeezed in that much, is going to cover part of the head depending on how close it is. It could be here, a little farther back, and it would be clear of the head in that case and go around there. But if it's really close, we can cut around there. And it just depends on what we are looking to accomplish, how much of a crunch we're going to give this. And that of course goes into the pecs right there. And there is our leg. Now that is one angle that we have gone into. Of course, this can be switched both hands going behind. Of course, you have to change the anatomy accordingly. So squeezed pec right there, going into the bicep. And we can also change the arms around. So open hand in that case right there. Now, of course, it depends on how much you want to contort this. We can also, like, make this more crunched, and in which case torso would like go really inward, leg is going to come up like really high. There, and of course the other leg is going to come up high as well. Of course, again, depending on what we are looking to accomplish here. We always maintain that the human body is a wondrous creation, genius, and the level of the postures and the functionality that it can achieve are astounding. And that is why it's always very fascinating to draw and to try exciting different angles. But we've just explored one in a contorted pose here today. I think it can be instrumental. Can be made for some perhaps realism, abstract concept, and could make for a nice surreal experience or an illustration. And there we have it, a quick exercise. So we do have other videos on body postures. Please do check those out as well, and we put our content pretty much every day, so please subscribe and keep in touch. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.